Hello and welcome to Jurisedge YouTube channel. Legal research is an important part of legal profession. Whether you are a law student or a practicing lawyer or want to enter academics field, research and its publication is essential. Why? Because this is the point on which you can make your CV different. Since everyone is having their degree, internships and conferences, but the publication is the point which employer never skips. Therefore, let's see the simple steps to write the legal research paper. Now let us understand that what is research paper in the simplest term. So a research paper is a type of academic writing that provides an in-depth analysis or evaluation of a single topic, right, or a particular area, which is based on empirical evidence. Empirical means that something which is based on your practical experience or your personal observation, right? So research paper, they are something which is beyond analytical essays, right? Because they do contain some evidences, they do contain some samples or the data, right? Now let us see that what are the basic steps to start your legal research paper. So step 1 is understand submission guidelines. So whether you want to submit your research paper in journal or with some online platform, firstly you have to take note on the submission guidelines, like what should be the length of paper, formatting styles, and most importantly, the citation style. Step 2, choosing a topic. So if there is an open-ended submission, then you can select the topic of your own choice. Now at this point, try to ignore the general topics because they do not enable rich discussion. Your topic should address a problem area in a particular law, or you should highlight a problem and why there is a need to change. Then try to choose a topic with enough content so that you can cover up your entire research. Step 3 is preliminary research. So to refine your topic, you must undergo preliminary research. At this stage, you are going to find existing resources on that particular topic, like how much research has been done, what are the merits, what are the flaws present therein, and all these things will help you to refine your pathway, right? Also, while finding the resources, whether online or offline, go for credible resources, especially choose academic databases. Step 4 is research paper outline. So at this stage, just make a list of all important categories and subtopics you need to cover. At this point, make sure that all issues are addressed which you are seeking to address, and try to organize your information in paragraphs and in a layered manner. Now let us quickly see that what are the contents which is required to be included in your research paper. Now talking about content of research paper, as you can see that I have provided 4 headings, but you can also divide them into subtopics, which completely depends upon your research paper. So starting with the introduction, you can give some background and a clear statement of your research paper. Then next is the existing law and why it is a problem. So under this, if you have chosen some problem, right, you should highlight that problem. You should provide the arguments at why this is a problem which is persistent in the society and why the existing law is not able to resolve that particular problem, right? Then third one is the proposal for change. Under this, you should give some data, you should give some evidences, right? Like why there is a need to change, right? How it can be changed, right? All these things. And last is a conclusion wherein you should state your findings, right? And if there is a merit or demerit with respect to your research paper, you can also honestly state in this. Step 5 is citing your sources correctly. So you have to check your submission guidelines at which citation style is required. Also, once you have started with writing your research paper, you should simultaneously cite your resources, right? Don't keep it for later. Don't think that, okay, once let me done with the research paper, then I'll cite the sources later, right? Otherwise, you will get confused that from which resources you have chosen that particular line or that particular paragraph. So it's better that you should write the content and cite the same at the same time. Step 6 is format and proofreading. So check for formatting style which is mentioned in your submission guidelines, like font size, font style, margins, spacings, page number, etc. So you have to strictly adhere to the formatting styles, right, and the citation styles which has been given in your submission guidelines. If you are not doing so, your paper will get rejected. Then, because once you submit your research paper with the concerned authority, now they are going to firstly look after the format and the citation style. If it is okay, then they are going to look after your topic and the content which you have written it. So be cautious for format and the citation style. Secondly, at this point of time, you can also check your spellings, grammar, and see whether your paragraphs are systematically arranged or not. Means whether they are logically connected or not. And lastly, and the most important step is to check your plagiarism. This is a must step. And since there are several tools present online for checking the plagiarism, but not all are authentic. Okay, the best tool for checking the plagiarism is Turnitin. So if you have anyhow access to Turnitin, it's the best thing for you. Otherwise, you can also go for Quillbot or Grammarly, right? So choose your plagiarism checker wisely. Now there is an important announcement that Jurisedge UGC NET 2023 batch is open for registration. What you should look for? See, first time Jurisedge is providing two courses. First is UGC NET course, wherein you are going to get comprehensive guidance for UGC NET or JRF exams, SET, SLET, and your PhD entrances also. On the other hand, the second course is UGC NET plus PhD course, wherein together with the guidance towards UGC NET or other entrances exams, you will get one-stop solution for doctoral guidance, right? Like guidance towards pursuing PhD and its approach towards interview, making research proposal, and many more activities that will make your academic journey simple and potent. So do check out for these courses on the link given under the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to Jurisedge channel to get the further updates.